this will show you the setup that we have currently in the control. Now, we've tried several different things. So we have instruction manuals for installation for either the USB to CNC or the LAN CNC. We don't actually have an installation manual for this, but we've extrapolated data from either of those to get this what we believe is correct. So as you can see, we have an SD card that is seated, but that would only apply to LAN, which we have not attempted yet. We do have an Ethernet cable going in, ready for LAN, but again, not connected anyhow. What we have been trying, power cord's working, everything's connected there. 28 volts DC. We've got your straight connector for the RS-232 connected to a Cat5 cable provided by Calmotion, as well as the other straight connector, which is mounted to our COM1, which means it's been removed from the front of the panel. Everything appears to be correct, and USB to the back of our USB COM port, which there seems to be no problem communicating between the USB to the Calmotion receiver. The problem is from the Calmotion to the CNC itself, which would be in our COM ports. Now we have tried to take this from this COM port to the other one, which is what we believe to be COM2, and we have not had any luck with that either. I do have a mini tester that I will show in the next video to show when we try to do a program communication through these networks. And the mini tester here should show you kind of what we're dealing with. Again, no real communication between the CNC and the Calmotion at this time.